Guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout, and thank you for clicking on the video. Today's workout is a dumbbell-only leg workout. Yes, we can get a great leg workout at home just by using a set of dumbbells. So grab your dumbbells, grab something you can prop your foot onto. I am using a bench. You can use a chair, you can use a low table, or you can use a couch. It doesn't really matter. Whatever works for you or wherever you have handy where you work out. Anyway, we got 3 different exercises. We're going to perform each exercise for 3 sets, and each set is going to be made up of 10 repetitions. We're going to take about a 30-second break in between each set and a little bit longer between the exercises. So let's not waste any more time, guys. Let's get going, and I'll see you in about 5 seconds. Alright guys, welcome back. We're gonna start off with the Bulgarian split squat. For this, you'll need something that you can put your foot onto as you're gonna lean forward, take a step forward, and then squat down. This replaces your squat that you might be doing at the gym. So we're starting off with the hardest exercise first. So grab your dumbbells, find a good spot. It's a pretty big step forward, guys. And then we're just gonna stand up, and then we're just gonna squat down using a single leg. We're going for 10 repetitions on each side. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I did not realize how much noise that bench is going to be making with my shoes on. All right, let's try the other leg. Find a good spot. Let's go for 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we'll take about a 30-second break or so. So this is what I'm using my bench for, guys. This is the Flybird bench. I got this on Amazon for about $150 or so. It's a little bit high off the ground, but it works in general fairly well for me. That's why I use it in my basement. I also use the same bench in my garage. What I like about it, it folds in half. So if you're interested in one, you can find them on Amazon. I'll leave a link to one down below. Anyway, enough of selling the bench. Let's get going for set number 2. 10 repetitions per side. All right, find your spot, step back, and lean down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Once again, I didn't know how much noise this bench is going to be making. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more, and 10. Whew. Definitely gonna feel this one later. All right, switch sides. Find a bench. There it is, and let's go for 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come on, 7, 8, 2 more, 1, and 2. Whew. All right, let's take about a 30-second break or so, and we'll move on to set number 3. Oh yeah, definitely gonna be feeling this one. Like I said, you can get a very good workout for your legs. Not just jumping around doing lunges, those are great. Those build endurance, but if you want to build muscle and strength, this is a very good workout just by using some dumbbells. And my heart rate's already rushing. So a little cardio benefit too, because we are taking little shorter breaks between the sets once again, because we are using little lighter weights that we normally might use for legs. Anyway, set number 3, guys. Let's get going, leg back, and let's go down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch legs and give me 10 more. 1, 2, 5, 6, 4 more, 2 more, 1, down and up. All right, first exercise is out of the way. Whew. Yep, that one burned a little bit. Just give myself a little more room, put this back against the wall. All right, you guys ready for exercise number 2? Exercise number 2 is a single leg or a staggered leg RDL. So RDL is the Romanian deadlift. Normally what we would do, we would grab our weight and barbell. If you have a heavy barbell, go down with both legs and both arms and come up. But because this is a dumbbell workout and they're a little bit lighter, for instance, I'm using 30s, and if I was doing this with 30s, I can do 50 repetitions. We're gonna avoid that by switching to single leg. So if you have a hard time balancing on your leg, I do want to do these running shoes. They're not very stable and also have a rubberized floor. You can use a staggered leg stance. So one leg with a little bit in front of the other, bend the front knee, and all your weight still goes on your front leg, and you just use the other leg for balance. So grab your dumbbells, and we're going for 10 repetitions per leg. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Down, and come back up. And up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 2 more. 1 and 2, and switch legs. From these right leg forward. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. And legs down on the ground. All right, that was set number 1. Give us about 30 seconds or so. Move on to set number 2. Like I said, if you can balance yourself on one leg, feel free to grab the weight and just go back and come back up. You can do that, that's great. I can't do that, especially today for some reason, so I decided to go with a staggered leg variation. Either one is fine, as long as all the weight goes onto one leg. Once again, lighter dumbbells, and we got half the force pulling them up. You guys ready to go? All right, so let's go. 3, 2, 1. Stagger the legs and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more. Come on. 1, 2. All right, just over to the other side.
Everybody, move your body.
5 more. 5. All right, take a break. Whew, 30 seconds. I got one more set before we move on to our next exercise. Next exercise is going to be a front squat. You're going to grab your dumbbells, place it on the front of your shoulders, and we're going to squat down. And while we go down, we're going to try to keep our backs as vertical as possible, as always when we do squatting. Having said that, we got one more set of RDLs. Grab those weights, staggered look, stagger stance, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got some pain on hamstring. 7. You can bend that front knee a little bit. And 10. Whew. All right. Front knee bend. Stagger stance, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. 2 exercises down, 1 to go, 3 sets left. Been at it for what, about 10 minutes, a little bit less. So nice short leg workout today. Like I said, front squat right now, guys. Grab the weight, bring him up, put him on the front of your shoulders, and then we're gonna squat down as best as we can. And being fit after 50, you guys know some days are better than others. Today is about an average day for me. You guys ready to go? How about 15 more seconds? We'll get going. Give me a chance to stretch my ear, and we'll get moving. All right, let's go in a few seconds. Grab those weights, put them on the front, and squat down. All right. Got the weights. They're on the front of the shoulders. Nice bend. Whatever you're comfortable with. Let's go. 1, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. All right, think about a 30-second break. We'll get going. I did notice my mobility getting better towards the last couple of repetitions. So next 2 sets, I'm going to try to go down as low as I can while still being comfortable and then coming back up. Got about 15 seconds left. I'm going to try to continue catching my breath. All right, we've got 2 more sets, guys, and we are done. Nice and quick workout today. Like I said, it'll be about 15 minutes by the time we're done. Maybe a little bit less than that. Grab those weights, front of the shoulders. Nice, good, comfortable stance, and let's go. 1, 4, 8, 9, 1 more, and 10. All right, that was set number 2. 1 more set. 1 more set. I don't know how you guys are feeling. I'm feeling my legs have been being a pretty good workout today. Like I said, taking a little shorter break works hand in hand with this because we're already fatigued, pre-fatigued, as we go into the next set. It's one way to overload your muscles when you are using lighter weights or doing higher repetitions. Take a little bit of a shorter break. All right, last set. Grab your dumbbells on the shoulders. Comfortable stance, and let's go. 4, 2, 3, 4. And 10. All right, well that does it, guys. That was our home dumbbell leg workout. Thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. As always, I appreciate you guys participating in all of my workouts. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. I hope to see you then. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this workout, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Give me a big old thumbs up. And I'll see you guys during your next workout.